In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ticketmaster password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your new secure password without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Ticketmaster. When the results load, click the official Ticketmaster site. As a quick safety check, look for the padlock icon in the address bar and make sure the domain is Ticketmaster's official one to avoid phishing pages. Once you're on the home page, head to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your login details and complete any prompts that appear. If you're asked for a verification code, keep your email or phone handy so you can move through this step smoothly. After you're signed in, go back to the top right and choose My Account. This will open your account dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Under the My Profile section, select Profile Details. This is where Ticketmaster keeps your sign-in and security settings. On the Profile Details page, look for the Sign-in and Security area. You should see your current email address displayed alongside links to manage your credentials. Click the Update Password link located directly beneath your email information. That takes you to the page where you'll make your change. In this same section, Ticketmaster may also show options to update your email address. If you do intend to change your email as well, enter the new address and click the blue Update Email button to save that change. If your goal today is only to change your password, simply leave the email field as is and continue to the password area below. Now, type your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you've used elsewhere and steer clear of easily guessed details. If your browser or password manager can generate a secure password for you, that's a great option. Make sure to store it safely so you won't lose access later. When you're ready, click the blue Update Password button to finalize your settings. You may be asked to re-enter your current password or complete a short verification step. Just follow any on-screen prompts. After updating, consider signing out and back in to confirm everything works. If anything seems off, double-check your email for a confirmation message or security alert and follow the instructions provided there. And that's it. Your Ticketmaster password is updated and your account is more secure.